Bitcoin and markets are getting ready to give you a pump today, tomorrow, sometime soon. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in the charts. Don't get too excited because it's going to be a quick pump followed by a dump. Stick around. You're not going to want to miss this one. Guys, this is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. If you're new here, we use Elliott wave theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know what Elliott wave is, it's the best way to trade. Once you go Elliott, you never go back. You know what I'm saying? There's a link in the description below and right now to kind of just a crash course video. It's super short, 10 minutes. Watch it. If you don't know what Elliott is, it'll get you up to speed. Also, there's free Discord linked in the description below. You will learn Elliott in there as well. It's free. Guys, let's get into these charts, man. We've been calling for this move for a while now. In the Discord on August 23rd, I posted this chart, and this is what I've been playing this whole time. This was August 23rd, mind you. Okay? Look what happened. August 23rd was right here. We were here. Okay? Here's the chart. We were here. I said we were going to come down, take out this liquidity up, and then impulse to the downside. We came down, took out this liquidity to the upside, and then impulse to the downside. I mean, Elliott wave does not lie, guys. That's why it's the best way to trade. You see things that other people don't see. There's a high barrier of entry to Elliott wave theory because it's an advanced concept, but once you get it down, you will never regret it. You will never trade the same, and your bank account will thank you. So, I'm long this market right now, and what it looks like we're getting here is a nice impulse right back up. May even take out this high, and it's getting ready to go like now. That's why I'm getting this video up. If you're not in a long, maybe we can get some lower prices here and you can hop in. Maybe you can wait for a retrace here. Guarantee you will get one here on this trend line. Okay? So when this trend line, where these trend line meet here, expect a retrace that you could probably get in on and take this breakout. If it wants to pump to the upside. This is on the hourly chart. Now, I'm not telling you it's 100% going to pump here. It's just how I'm playing it. It's just how I've been playing it. We were short up here. Now we're long. Okay? So, if this decides to get rejected here and just keep rolling over, because believe me, there's a lot of liquidity here. That's what scares me. But there's also a lot up here. There's a lot of liquidity here. Okay? If this decides to roll over, I'm going to consider this a 5-wave structure. I'm going to look for a bounce here to take out this, and then I want to see more downside. Take out this low. Big time downside, okay? I do not want to see this come. I don't even want to see this come down here. I want to see this go right now. That's what I want. You can't always get what you want. Let's see if it plays. And in the grand scheme of things, what are we looking at after we get this impulse? So let's just say that this impulse does occur. And we go and we tap these highs again right here. Okay. In Elliott wave terms, you have a flat here. That's a finished correction. You had your initial impulse wave here, followed by a correction, right? And then I'm saying that's going to be a finished correction right here. And then you can expect some serious impulsivity to the downside. As we zoom out, there's going to be a couple options here as to where this market's going to want to go. I promise you guys, I promise you, there's so much liquidity down here, it's going to get taken out. Is it going to get taken out now, or is it going to get taken out later? I can't tell you. I can't tell you that. My you know where I'm playing this, to the upside and then coming down. But it will get taken out. Do not stay in a long. If this does decide to get impulsive to the upside, it will break this and it will come right back down and take it. It will get taken, guys. I can guarantee that. Now, in the grander scheme of things, what everyone should be doing is kind of drawing this trend line, because this is telling here. If we stick under this trend line, then there's a chance, and it's looking better and better, that you're gonna want to be fucking short here, heavy, because you have a one wave, and then you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. What I'm saying is you're going to want to catch that wave. And what it really can be is some type of a flat. Okay? So we have a flat here. We have a flat here. And we'd be looking for another correction to the upside after that. This is Elliott wave theory, guys. This is Elliott wave concepts. Again, if you don't know, join the Discord and watch my crash course. That it'll be linked at the end of the video too. Now, other possible accounts that can occur is maybe this breaks this and gets quite impulsive, right? Maybe even wants to come up here and say hello and take out this liquidity. It's fine. You do that. I would consider this a correction. And this as well, right? All part of this correction. And then I would consider this an ABC, ABC, ABC. Still coming down to these targets, but in the form of a WXY. So guys, it can come to fruition in a variety of different ways, but all I'm here to tell you and to warn you about is not the exact structure that we're seeing here. It's not the exact prices that we're gonna see here, but the shape that we're gonna see here is gonna be, once this correction finishes to the downside, I want to see this level get taken, because if we head on over to the futures chart, guys, it just looks so good to me. I'm sorry, it just looks so good. Alright, we're on the futures. There is a major gap right here. So if we can somehow get this wave to come down and fill that, whether it be in a WXY correction, whether it be very impulsive, I do not care how it makes it down there. I just want it to make it down there. Maybe we just break the low now and decide to go, right? Maybe we break the low, correct, and then go, right? Want to see it get taken. Once that occurs, hello, hop in your long. Around 21K, 22K, 23K. What's this at? 20K? Shit. It's kind of low, but I want to see it. I want to see it. This is way in the future, guys. I'm not worried about the future. We're worried about right now. We're day traders. We're leverage traders. So yeah, I want to see, this is an impulse off the bottom. This is a correction. I want to see some impulsivity here overnight into tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. I want to see us come up here, and then we can reevaluate and see what we're doing up there. Once we're up here to party, we can see how things play out. If it's going to shoot through, if it's going to reject, if it's going to go sideways, I'm exiting most of my position right here, though. I'll tell you that right now. I'd show you other things as well, guys, but everything's kind of jiving with me. They all look the same. DXY. Maybe wants that for a wave 4 and then up for a wave 5. Yeah, so DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down, DXY goes down, Bitcoin goes up. It's just the inverse relationship. The DXY is the dollar, the strength of the dollar. Bitcoin's traded in the dollar, or cryptos are traded in the dollar. So it's got an inverse relationship. So I can see this coming down for a wave 4 and then up for wave 5 to finish off this flat, and then bing. So this will be when Bitcoin dumps. This will be when the mega pump happens. I can see it. I can see it. That's all I got for you guys. Just wanted to pop in and give you the heads up on what I was seeing in the charts. I'll see you in the Discord. It's linked in the description below. It's free. There will be a premium paid Discord. I'm working on educational content. There will be live streams in there all the time. Educational stuff. Alerts. Setups. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Love you all. Bye.